See here, we are going to explain one a very good problem related to JEE Main and Advance. See here, they are given electric field is given as E is equal to 2x plus 1 y I cap plus x bracket x plus 1 j cap. The potential at point 1 2. Find potential at point 1 2. If potential at origin is 2 volt, origin suppose A 0 0, point B 1 2. At origin they have given potential 2. What is the potential at point B? See here, options are 2 volt, 4 volt, minus 2 volt and 6 volt. Then how will solve this problem? See, electric field, they are in both xy coordinate. What we know? This VB minus VA. VB minus VA. That is what? Integration A to V dV. What is dV? dV is equal to what? Minus E dot dr. So see here, E dot dr minus E they have given 2x plus 1 y I cap x plus 1 j cap dot, what will be the dr? If general coordinate xy I have taken, so dr will be dx I cap dy j cap dot multiplication a1 a2 plus b1 b2. What will be the result? That will be 2x, I have multiplied y here, so 2xy plus y into dx, here x square plus x j dot j1, so that is dy. So this will be the E dot dr. See here, A point is 0 0 and B point they have given 1 2. If I simplify it, 2xy dx, here y dx, x square dy plus x dy. See here, how we are integrating this multiple functions. If expletive function is there, function is both in x, y, so I have to convert into multiple differentiation form. How we can convert it? 0 0 1 2. This you have to take together. 2xy dx plus x square dy. This I have taken separate, y dx x dy. See here, this can be written as integration 0 0 1 2. So this can be written as differentiation of x square y, and this can be written as in differentiating form, that is dxy. So differentiation of x square y, here differentiation of xy. If you will integrate, the result will come x square y, differential will be cancelled by integration x square y plus xy, negative sign is there, minus from where to where? 0 0 2 1 2. If I are putting this value here at the place of x1, in the place of y2, the result will come minus 1 y is 2, 1 square into 2 plus 1 into 2, so that will come minus 4 volt. So this VB minus VA, here VB minus VA, B is 0.12, A is 0.00, at a point they have given voltage 2, so VB minus 2 is come minus 4. The VB minus 2 is equal to minus 4, so what will be the VB? The VB will equal to minus 4 plus 2, so that is minus 2 volt. Correct option will be minus 2 volt. So here, important thing is how we can convert in this differentiation form. 2xy dx plus x square is equal to dx square y, or y dx plus x dy is equal to, that you have understood. I will explain again it how it can comes. Actually result has come, result will be minus 2. How we can convert the multiple function, integrate, how can we integrate? I am going to discuss about this. See here, dx square y. Firstly we will see that is in the form of multiple form differentiation. If you are applying product rule, what happen? Differentiation of first dx square, differentiation of first and second you are taking. Differentiation of first, second you are taking separate, first you are taking differentiation of second. If you are doing the differentiation of x square, that is 2x, and x differentiate, you will differentiate, that will come 2x, and x square dy. So you can see this 2xy dx, x square dy, so that is differentiation of x square y. Same way also you can see here dxy. If you are applying product rule, differentiation of first, you will take y, differentiation of first into second, plus first you have taken out the differentiation of second. Here also you can say y dx x dy is equal to dxy. One more example if I am giving you, suppose x cube y square they have given. What will be the differentiation of this in multiple form? So dx cube, differentiation of x cube, second function you have taken separate, and when first function you have taken separate, differentiation of y square. Okay. What will come? Differentiation of x cube, that is 3x square dx, and y square, here y square differentiation 2y dy. You can see here 3x square y square dx plus 2x cube y dy, that total is equal to dx cube y square. So this can be written in this form, or this can be written in this form. So for that type of question you have to know about the differentiation of multiple function, xy function. So how it will come? So generally all questions like that, so they will convert in the form of differentiation of multiple function. So one thing more important is there. Okay, if suppose, how can we know that this will be the differentiation of this function, या ये मल्टीपल डिफरेंशिएशन फॉर्म है या नहीं है, कैसे हम जानेंगे? ठीक है, तो उसके लिए आई एम गिविंग वन आइडिया हियर. ठीक है, हाउ वी नो दैट दिस विल बी द दिस फंक्शन इज differentiation of multiple form. Suppose in that question we have taken this will be there. 1 minute, we'll take suppose this they have given 2xy dx plus x square dy. So this is differentiable from single function or not? How can we know? To see it, this is dx, so take the different form of dx. x के अलावा जो भी अदर वेरिएबल फंक्शन है सेपरेट करो, सेपरेटेड. तो y we have separated, तो remaining is what? 2x dx. इसे इंटीग्रेट करो. दिस इज फर्स्ट एंड रिमेनिंग जो भी है, ठीक है. अगर x का है डिफरेंशिएबल फॉर्म तो x वाले को केवल डिफरेंशिएट करो, इसको सेपरेट करो. व्हाट विल बी दिस? इसका क्या आएगा बेटा? इंटीग्रेशन. राइट डाउन करो यहाँ पे. तो 2x dx इसका इंटीग्रेशन क्या आएगा बेटा? x स्क्वायर. अच्छा, फर्स्ट ये हो गया और सेकंड तुम्हारा क्या हो गया बेटा? x स्क्वायर. अब इसको ऐसे चेक करो. x स्क्वायर यहाँ पर क्या है बेटा? y से नॉट रिलेटेड y, ठीक है. अदर फंक्शन क्या है तुम्हारा? x स्क्वायर. तो x स्क्वायर को तुमने अलग किया, डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ y करो, तो दैट विल कम क्या है? कितना आएगा बेटा? y. तो यहाँ पर तुम ध्यान से देख सकते हो फर्स्ट सेकंड, ठीक है. तो यहाँ फर्स्ट तो यही सेकंड आना चाहिए. अगर दोनों सेम आ रहे हैं तो इसका मतलब ये जो मल्टीपल होगा इसका, यानी एक्स स्क्वायर वाई का, ये क्या होगा बेटा? फंक्शन डिफरेंशिएबल होगा. तो डी एक्स स्क्वायर वाई विल गिव द रिजल्ट दिस. ये दोनों सेम आने चाहिए, ठीक है. एक और एग्जांपल जैसे अभी इसका ही आप लो, ठीक है. तो इन दैट एग्जांपल आल्सो यू विल सी y dx and x dy, y dx plus x dy. Here other function is y, integration of dx, तो integration of dx will come कितना आएगा बेटा? x. तो ये first, this is second. Here what happened? First आप x लिया, integration of y. तो देखो बेटा, ये देखो दोनों सेम आ गए, तो इसका मतलब मल्टीपल फंक्शन इज कितना होगा बेटा? एक्स वाई. तो दिस विल बी द डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ एक्स वाई. एक और एग्जांपल मैं लेकर के तुम्हें समझा रहा हूं. थ्री एक्स स्क्वायर वाई डी एक्स. इफ सपोज दे हैव गिवन, ठीक है, एक्स क्यूब थ्री एक्स स्क्वायर वाई they have given, and second they have given 2x cube y dy. So ठीक है. तो this is differentiable or not? How can we check? I have given example. Suppose y square I have taken here, separate function is y square, so y square we will separate it. The remaining is what? 3x square dx. Integrate it. What happened? This, suppose first this is integration of remaining function, so this will come x cube. So first second has come x cube. Here x cube we will separate. Integration of 2y remaining, so that will come integration of 2y, that will come y square. So see here, y square, x cube, so multiple of this, x cube y square will the differentiation of this function will this. So this can be written as dx cube y square. You can find any integration function they have given. So by this method you can find which function, differentiable function is there. It is differentiable in this form or not. Also you can find if they are same, y square, x cube. So multiple of this will be the differentiable function, and you can convert here, and after converting it is very easy to integrate. If you will integrate, so d will be cancelled, only x cube y square will be the remaining. Okay. Here one problem is there. 4 charges are placed each at a distance a from origin. The dipole moment of one configuration They have given 4 charges, minus 2q, minus 2q. This is the origin. At a distance, all charges are put at a distance a from origin. This distance is a, this is also a. All distance they have given a. This also they have given a. This also given a. What will be the dipole moment of this configuration? Very important and JEE based question. If concept is clear, what is dipole moment, what is the direction of dipole moment, okay, you can solve this problem. See, they have given this is along x-axis, this is along y-axis. We know in positive direction x-axis unit vector is I cap, here negative direction minus I cap, here minus j cap. This will be the direction of j cap. See, but we know two equal and opposite charges. Equal and opposite charges kept at a small distance, finite distance. So this is called dipole. If length is 12, what is dipole moment? तो dipole moment क्या होता है बेटा? तो dipole moment के लिए हम लोग जानते हैं कि product of magnitude of one of charge and distance between the charges. ठीक है? Dipole moment is a vector quantity. So we know what will be the direction. So direction of this L vector is from negative to positive. From negative to positive. This is the direction of dipole moment. So see here, two equal and opposite charge. Okay. What they have given, minus 2q, minus 2q. Both are same. This is plus 3q, here plus q. So this is plus 3q and this is plus q. So they are not equal and opposite. So firstly we have to convert in equal and opposite form. If you will convert in this form equal and opposite, then we can find dipole moment, and also direction is from where to where, negative charge to positive charge. So here we will convert this in equal and opposite form. So see here how we will convert it. See, this minus 2q, here plus 3q. So plus 3q I have converted into plus 2q. This plus 2q I have taken. This minus 2q I have taken another plus 2q here. So plus 2q, this is 4. And here only 3q. So imagine one charge is minus q here. So 3q I have given a combination. What are the combination of 3q? 3q is equal to plus 2q and minus q. This is plus q, here minus 2q. So this minus 2q plus 2q, one dipole. Minus 2q plus 2q, another dipole. And minus q plus q, because here plus q. So here we want minus q. So this minus q is third dipole. So we have converted this in three different dipoles. If we have break, हमने क्या किया बेटा, इस 3q को ब्रेक किया किस फॉर्म में, ये 3q क्या है बेटा, प्लस 2q और एक क्या है बेटा, माइनस 2q. तो देखो 2q 4q माइनस q कितना हो गया 3q. तो 3q को हमने स्प्लिट किया 3 पार्ट्स में, क्या, प्लस 2q और माइनस 2q. तो देखो माइनस 2q प्लस 2q एक डायपोल, माइनस 2q प्लस 2q दूसरा डायपोल, और एक जो हमारा रिमेनिंग माइनस q और इधर प्लस q, ये क्या हो गया बेटा, तीसरा डायपोल. ठीक है. तो अगर हम इसे कन्वर्ट करें, ठीक है, आई हैव कन्वर्टेड दिस इन दिस फॉर्म, माइनस 2q और यहाँ पर आपका एक क्या हो गया बेटा, प्लस 2q, एक डायपोल. दूसरा आपका कौन सा है बेटा, माइनस 2q एंड प्लस 2q, दिस इज अनदर डायपोल. एंड थर्ड क्या हो गया बेटा, एक तुम्हारा क्या हो गया यहाँ पे माइनस q और यहाँ पे आपका क्या हो गया बेटा, प्लस q. दिस विल बी द थर्ड डायपोल. ये 3 डायपोल बने. ठीक है. तो व्हाट विल बी द डायपोल मोमेंट. अगर इस चीज को हम डायपोल मोमेंट फॉर्म में करें तो डायपोल मोमेंट क्या होगा, उसका डायरेक्शन क्या होगा. तो सी है, दिस डिस्टेंस इज ए, दिस इज आल्सो ए. तो इफ विल गो फॉर द डिस्टेंस दिस, तो बाय पाइथागोरस ए, दिस इज ए, तो दिस विल बी a रूट 2. तो डायरेक्शन इज डिस्टेंस इज a रूट 2. Similarly, distance is a root 2, and here distance is a and a, so this distance is 2a. अच्छा, negative to positive direction, so dipole moment direction will be for this pair minus 2q plus 2q. This will be the first. Suppose this I have taken as p1, this is I have taken as p2, negative to positive, and this third negative to positive, this I have taken p3. So three dipole moment is there, p1, this is p2, and this is p3. Go for the magnitude of p1. So magnitude of p1 will be what? p1 is equal to क्या होगा बेटा? 1 of the charge 2q and distance between them, that is a root 2. ठीक है, ये आपका क्या हो गया बेटा? p1 का magnitude of p1. Same way magnitude of p2 will be what? 2q into क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? a root 2. And if we'll go for the magnitude of p3, तो p3 का magnitude क्या होगा बेटा? p3 का magnitude क्या होगा? 1 of the charge, that is q, into distance between two charges is 2a. ये आपका अब 3 वेक्टर्स हैं. कौन कौन से 3 वेक्टर्स हैं बेटा? One vector is what? This is the first vector, this is the second vector, this is first, this is second. See here, what about this p? This is p1, this is p2. Angle between them is how much? This will be, see here, this will be 45, this will be 45. So this angle will be 90 degree. And there is p3. So here you can see the magnitude of p1 and p2. Both magnitude is same. This is 2 root 2 qa. This is 2 root 2 qa. The magnitude is same. So what will be the resultant of this? If you see, the resultant of this is cos 45. If you see as a component form, that this is p1 cos 45. This is suppose this angle is 45. Here p1 sin 45. Here also p1 cos 45, p1 sin 45, p2 cos 45. So resultant of these two, p1 and p2. So that will be the along z axis, and this magnitude is, suppose this I have taken as p dash. So what will be the p dash? P dash is equal to क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? 2 p1 and p2 both magnitude is 2q a root 2 into what? Cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. So that is 4qa. So resultant of these two vector is 4qa upward, and downward is what? q2a. So all we have seen this p1, p2 and p3. Resultant is come upward is 4qa, and downward is how much? q into 2a. So what will be the result? The resultant, the total dipole moment of our configuration, the difference of this, so that is what? That will be 2qa. So see here, the resultant of this configuration, the resultant dipole moment of this configuration is 2qa along what? Y-axis, mean j cap will be the unit vector. If we will vector form, if we will write, the resultant dipole moment is 2qa j cap. So see here, the option is A option will be the correct option. बच्चों बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉब्लम है. 3q minus 2q and plus q, 4 charges they have given. They want dipole moment. हमने क्या किया बेटा? इसको पहले स्मॉल अलग अलग डाइपोल मोमेंट अलग अलग डाइपोल्स में डिवाइड किया. -2q plus 2q, हमने 4q को 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया. 3q को 2q एंड -q. तो देखो बेटा, एक डाइपोल बना, दूसरा बना और एक तीसरा, 3 डाइपोल का कॉम्बिनेशन. तीनों डाइपोल मोमेंट हमने अलग अलग फाइंड आउट किए, p1 p2 एंड p3. p1 p2 का हमने रिजल्टेंट फाइंड आउट किया, वो अपवर्ड निकला. वो कितना निकला बेटा? 4qa. एंड p3 तुम्हारा कैसा था बेटा? q into 2a डाउनवर्ड. इनका रिजल्टेंट आपका क्या हो गया? बेटा 2qa अपवर्ड. तो दिस इज द रिजल्टेंट डायपोल मोमेंट, डायरेक्शन इज j कैप. दैट्स व्हाई डायपोल मोमेंट ऑफ कॉन्फिगरेशन इज 2q into a j कैप. तो ध्यान में रखना, कभी इस टाइप के प्रॉब्लम्स आए, अगर आपके डिफरेंट चार्जेस दे हैव गिवन, तो उनको आप हम क्या करते हैं बेटा, स्प्लिट करते हैं, ठीक है, सेपरेट डायपोल्स में, और फिर उनका हम कंबाइन करके क्या करते हैं बेटा, डायपोल मोमेंट फाइंड आउट करते हैं.